from Glass Online. Today I'm speaking to Gino Gramaglia from Adelio Lattuada. He's the sales manager, and he's going to give us a little bit of an overview about the company and its products.
We are an Italian company that has been operating since 1978. So we could say it's an historic company. The company bears the name of the founder of the company, Mr. Adelio Lattuada, who is still every day working here at the company. He says all the time he wants to retire, but he's not giving up. Every day he is here at the factory, of course, with the whole Lattuada family. So all together they run the company.
What are the keys behind this positive, we can say successful period?
Yes, it has been really a surprise for us, especially last year with this pandemic situation. We didn't expect that, but things have been very, very good for us. I think the keys to our success are a few, but mainly we always put the customer in the first place. So we try to see things from the customer point of view, and what would I want if I would be the customer? I would like a good machine that delivers a good quality, reliable, that be easy to maintain, to repair, which with low operative costs, and if I have a problem, which it's highly probable with machines, because at the end they are machines. I want a good service. I want a good assistant. I want to talk to somebody and that this somebody solves the problem. So this is one of the main keys. I think it's a very human approach, putting customer first and direct contact for the after sales, the pre-sales and the after sales service. Another key is innovation. We are, as I said, an historic company, but yet we are all the time, we are innovating. We believe that without innovation, there is no business. So innovation is constant in Lattuada. We are not stuck in the past, but we are always improving. Last but not least is the quality. We have been, since the founding of the company, we have been improving our quality all the time, year after year. Our quality has improved until now that we are at the highest end of the market in terms of quality.
Very important, especially for glass processes and especially for the new glass types that we have now. You spoke about innovation. What kind of innovative solutions does Adelio Lattuada provide?
Mainly, our innovation has gone in two directions. One is to make machines, gathering the feedback from the customers, from the operators, from the technicians, is to make machines simpler, more reliable, easier to maintain and repair. So this is one part. So improving all those little things that make everyday tasks easier. The other part of the innovation, which in the last years has gained more and more momentum, is the automation on machines. Automation that helps the operator. It gathers the knowledge of the operators and puts it into a better performing system. We have developed two main automation packages on our machines. One is the AWR, which is a complete intelligent adjustment of the machine prior to the processing. So everything that the operator has to do before starting to work with the machine, diamond wheels adjustment, inlet conveyor adjustment on straight edges, we are talking, of course. The polishing wheels, adjustment, this self-adjustment, this knowledge is transferred to the machine, and the machine knows how and when to apply it. And of course, it does it automatically with motorized systems, so it saves time and it gives a constant machine adjustment throughout the shift, the day, the week, or the year. Another important package, automation package, we have been installing very successful on our machines is called IL. IL is the total automation of glass processing. So it allows to work in a completely automatic mode, and the operator has only to set the thickness of the glass. So all the knowledge about the pressure of the polishing wheels, the glass removal, the speed, the size of the irises, okay? All these parameters have been previously set on the machine by the manager, the owner, the production manager, etc. And the operator has only to enter the glass thickness, and then the machine does all by itself. Another important automation is the robotic solutions, which is a very, very, very valid alternative to prior inline high capacity processing systems. All the previously to this robotic solutions, all the high production systems had to rely on double edgers with high cost, of course, high operative costs, and high ground clearance, okay, and of course, very, I would say, demanding system. Our robotic system, we work in collaboration with Knittel Glass, which is a German company who has been in the robotics systems for, specifically for the glass for over 30 years. So we have all the knowledge of Knittel Glass together with the knowledge of Lattuada in glass processing. So we can install completely automated robotic lines from the glass loading to the grinding, to the corner dubbing, to the washing and the unloading. A finished solution with a very, very, very high output and a very, very high productivity levels. On a double edger, this means emptying the machine, wait, lose time, have very idle time, a lot of idle time. With our system, the line never stops, it works all the time.
I have a very important question here then. Let's follow on directly from that and look at your projects for the near future. You seem to have reached a level of automation that is incredible. So what can you do next?
Well, next, actually, there's a lot going on. We are already working on the next version of our AWR system, which will be enriched with added functions, will be updated, will be improved. We are working on automation in terms of sensors to improve safety, first of all, and productivity. So the machine will be more intelligent and proactive. And of course, the goal after this would be that the machine will be also predictive. We are also working on some prototypes for different accessories on our machines. And we are working also on wider integration between our machines and also between our machines and other machines.
Now, I have one more question because Adelio Lattuada is a company that's a family-owned and family-run company. So my big question is, do you have any projects that are not directly involved with business and industry?
Yes, actually, we have a few projects. We have some local sponsorships of clubs, associations, sports clubs, etc. here in our area in the Como province. And we also have a pro-life, what we call the pro-life eco project, which is an environmental project which basically is, well, the green philosophy applied to technology. We have entered in this tree dome project. What is it? We, with every machine we deliver to our customer, we deliver also to that customer a tree that will be planted somewhere in the world, okay? And the customer can, through on the tree dome website, he can check which kind of tree he has, where is it, okay? And of course, see it live, see it a picture and a video of his actual tree. The idea is to form small Lattuada forests around the world, okay? Supporting environment and in maybe areas where environment has been exploited and need for reforestation.
Well, that is some very, very nice information. Thank you very, very much.
Thanks to you.
I look forward to seeing you as a company at Vitrum this
year.
Okay,
of course.
Thank you very, very much for your time. Thank you.
Thanks to you. See you soon at Vitrum.